Hey, if you want to use camera pro mode on the Samsung Galaxy A07, let me quickly show you how you can do that. So first of all, when you open that mode and select one of the following options here, for example the ISO level, you can simply click on this information icon where you can find a short description what this parameter do. And it's easily to understand how and when you can actually adjust this. In the most parameters, you can actually adjust them to the left or the right side, and you can also adjust them automatically. But there's one parameter, exposure compensation, that you can only manually adjust from -4 into +4. Yeah. So let's go for a 0, for example. Here we can find the shutter speed that we can change. And over here we can also find that focus. So if I want to focus on objects that are really close, I have to actually go just like this for 0.0. And now as you can see, I can go really close to the object and I can take the photo and it will be in focus. But if I'm gonna go like this for 1.0, then it will be completely blurred. And you can also get the automatic adjustment. Now we can also find the white balance that you can change, of course. And most of the options you can find over here by clicking. So you can change, for example, the matrix metering. There we go. Or for example, you can find parameters like contrast, highlights, shadow, saturation, and tint. When you click here in the right upper corner, we can additionally turn on and off the flashlight. And that's basically everything for this video. Just a quick information for the pro mode.